everyone! So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make Shami Kabab. To cook meat, you would need 3 pounds of beef stew, 1.5 cups soaked overnight dal chana, 1 large onion roughly chopped, 12 to 15 garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons ginger, 2 teaspoons crushed chili pepper, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 tablespoons Shan Shami Kabab masala, 3 cups of water or enough to cover the meat. Add meat, onion, all spices, ginger and garlic, and water. Cook in the pressure cooker on medium to high heat until meat is cooked about 80%. Now that the meat is 80% done, add the dal chana. Close the lid and cook for another 4 to 5 minutes in the pressure cooker. Cook until the dal lentil is tender. Now that the dal is tender, dry the water. Mix occasionally, otherwise it will stick to the bottom. Now that the mixture is dry, turn off the heat and let it completely cool for a few hours. For the kebab mix, you would need 4 eggs, 1 medium onion finely chopped, 1 cup cilantro finely chopped, 3 green chilies finely chopped, and 1 tablespoon garam masala. Now grind the meat in a food processor, and if you do not have a food processor, you can use a grinder. In the cooked beef and lentil mixture, add the eggs, onions, cilantro, green chilies, and the garam masala. Mix well. stove on to medium-high heat. Add some oil in the pan and let the pan heat up. Cook the Shami Kababs until both sides are cooked. When it comes time to flipping, carefully flip the Shami Kabab. I wanted to share that you can freeze the uncooked Shami Kababs in the freezer for up to 3 months. You can serve the Shami Kababs with chutney. Now let me show you how to make chutney. For this recipe, you would need 5 to 6 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 bunch of cilantro chopped, about 2 to 3 cups of green mint leaves, 2 green chilies chopped, 1 garlic chopped, 2 walnuts chopped, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of water. In a blender, add walnut, garlic, green chilies, cilantro, mint leaves, yogurt, salt. Last, add water. Cover and blend everything together. Now, 2 things to note. When you are blending your chutney in the blender and it doesn't blend properly, you can add a little more water to help it blend a little more easily. And if at the end you notice that your chutney is way too runny for your liking, then you can add more yogurt to it and mix. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye-bye now!